This is my Singer 31A. Now, I haven't seen these ones are awesome. And, well, they're awesome because they're awesome. This unique Singer has them in the bottom case right over here. And it is so awesome. So, this is our bobbin winder right over here. See, it goes up and we can spin this. Come on now, don't be stubborn. See, it goes right there. When we're done with it, we can just put it down like that. Now, this unique bobbin thing has a little thing right there. That's our tension control. Now, this tension control is broken. Yep. Now, we have a light. If we have a light. Just a nice light. And this light can't be turned on. There's no on and off switch on this thing. The only on and off switch is this. This is the pedal. That's it. And this pedal has a nasty. How many has a button? As you can see, the button, it is kind of small, and I hate that. So, Singer, thank you for making bigger buttons. On the other side, this needle I'm using is today's needle. I mean today's current needle. It's a universal needle. Now this needle is awesome, so just keep in mind. And here's how it runs. Pretty smooth, and it's very comfortable. See? Yeah. See, this is the end of the bottom case. Now, this Singer is awesome. I say that multiple times because I like it. This has a handle on top, because you can put it down. And it has a big large spindle like most do. And this one is the reverse. And if I twist this, I can have different seam length, or whatever you call that. Just twist it, go down, and up, and down. Now this Singer is awesome. I think this is all for this video. Yeah, I think this is all. Can I answer? Please subscribe to my channel.